Good morning everyone! Welcome to my vlog. I'm here at the balcony. I'm checking the outside the window, the balcony, because it's very dark outside. There is no sun. It's raining and foggy. Foggy morning and raining in UAE. In the other road it's flooded. Oh, there, that side it's flooded. There's water in the side of the road. There in the other side of the road. It's flooded. This road is not flooded. This road is higher than there. Anyway guys, happy Monday everyone. May our day filled with love, joy, peace, happiness, compassion and unity to each other. Enjoy your day. Today is Monday, first day of the week. It's raining in UAE. This is the first rain in this year 2026. You know, the people here, every time it's raining like this, very happy, because UAE is very seldom to have rain. Anyway guys, God bless everyone. See you later or tomorrow. Bye bye. I love you all and I miss you all. Bye. Bye bye everyone. See you later. Bye. Enjoy your day. God bless.